Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about adaptogens, a group of herbs and mushrooms that have been used for centuries to help the body adapt to stress and support overall health and well-being. What are adaptogens? Adaptogens are natural substances that help the body adapt to stress, whether it's physical, emotional, or environmental. They work by regulating the body's stress response and restoring balance to various systems, including the immune, endocrine, and nervous systems. Examples of adaptogens. There are many different types of adaptogens, each with their own unique benefits. Some of the most popular ones include ashwagandha, rhodiola, ginseng, holy basil, and reishi mushroom. These adaptogens have been studied extensively and have been shown to have a range of benefits, from reducing anxiety and improving mood to boosting energy and supporting immune function. How to use adaptogens. Adaptogens can be consumed in a variety of ways, including as teas, tinctures, capsules, and powders. The best way to use adaptogens will depend on your individual needs and preferences. It's important to note that while adaptogens are generally safe and well tolerated, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Conclusion. So there you have it, adaptogens are a powerful tool for managing stress and supporting overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve your mood, or enhance your immune function, there's an adaptogen out there that can help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.